Hello good people of the internet. If you love terminals, boy, I got this awesome app for you. It's called Termux. Termux is a terminal emulator that runs on your Android smartphone. A really awesome tool if you ask me. It can do anything that your Linux terminal can do since the terminal is running on a Linux environment. You can install basically anything you would install on your terminal. You can do shell scripting, Python scripting, or even install Node.js and get you started creating web apps. Although it is hard to type in the app, since you have limited key options on your average touch keyboard, hook it up to a wireless keyboard and you've basically gotten yourself a decent setup. You can install Vim or Emacs, please, it's Vim, for your text editors, install a compiler to compile your programs, and even SSH to other devices using the SSH client. The terminal also gets access to your phone, so you can open and close apps within the terminal, grab two messages, and access API endpoints with curls. All in all, Termux is a great app, and if you are a developer or enthusiast, I would highly recommend that this app would be useful for you. Thank you for watching.